freelancing, and self-employment. The labor market is experiencing a significant shift towards more flexible and autonomous forms of employment, namely freelancing and self-employment. These modes of working offer individuals the freedom to choose their projects, define their working hours, and, in many cases, work from wherever they prefer. Before we continue, hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more videos like this. Freelancers and self-employed individuals engage in a variety of professions and operate on a per-task or project basis, often cultivating a diverse portfolio of work and clients. With the growing desire for work-life balance and well-being, many are turning to freelancing and self-employment as viable career paths. This transition requires understanding the nuances of managing a freelance business, from navigating tax implications to establishing a personal brand and setting competitive rates. Furthermore, strategic planning is vital for those aiming to scale up their operations, expand their client base, and ultimately increase their income. Getting started with freelancing. Entering the world of freelancing can be both exhilarating and challenging. It involves understanding the market dynamics, honing your skills, and setting up your freelance business effectively to cater to the demand of various projects. Understanding the freelance market. The freelance market is vibrant and constantly evolving. Business owners and companies seek contractors with a diverse range of skills to support different projects and goals. A successful freelancer stays informed about which skills are in high demand and how the market trends affect their opportunities. A solid grasp of marketing also helps in identifying niches with higher client demand. Skills and expertise development. Developing a strong set of skills is crucial for any freelancer. This development is twofold. One must improve their core abilities, such as writing, programming, or design, and also master key aspects of management and entrepreneurship. Continuous learning helps stay competitive, and seeking feedback aids in refining a freelancer's craft. Setting up your freelance business. When setting up as a freelancer, consider the structure of your business. Options range from operating as a sole proprietor to forming an LLC or partnership, depending on your business idea and vision. Robust project management systems and transparent processes are essential. They, in turn, ensure professionalism and build trust, helping to secure repeat business and referrals. To establish your freelance business, define your services clearly, set realistic goals, and devise a pricing strategy that reflects the value you offer. A strong business plan articulates your mission, outlines your services, and describes how you will reach your target market. Managing your freelance business. Managing a freelance business demands a careful balance of strategic planning and execution. Freelancers must approach their ventures with a keen attention to setting competitive pricing, building strong client relationships, efficiently overseeing tasks and projects, and meticulously handling legal and financial responsibilities to ensure stability and growth. Pricing strategies and rates. Successful freelancers develop clear pricing strategies that reflect the value of their work, their experience, and market standards. Setting rates can be done on a per-project, hourly, or retainer basis, considering factors such as the complexity of tasks, the freelancer's level of expertise, and industry benchmarks. It's critical for freelancers to regularly review and adjust their pricing to stay competitive and cover their costs, including taxes, health insurance, and potential business insurance expenses. Client acquisition and relationships. Acquiring clients involves a combination of marketing, word-of-mouth referrals, and often leveraging online platforms designed for freelance connections. Once acquired, maintaining client relationships through excellent customer service is key. This includes clear communication, setting expectations, and delivering high-quality work on time. Building a rapport with clients not only enhances repeat business, but also strengthens the freelancer's reputation in their field. Task and project management. Freelancers must employ robust project management tools and techniques to keep track of multiple assignments and deadlines. Effective task management often involves creating detailed to-do lists, prioritizing work based on urgency and importance, and using software to manage workflows. This organization is vital to prevent overload, missed deadlines, and financial instability due to inefficient work practices. Legal and financial responsibilities. The legal and financial side of freelancing encompasses a broad range of duties, from contract creation to accounting practices. Freelancers, as independent contractors, are responsible for their own taxes, which requires diligent record-keeping and possibly the assistance of accountants or lawyers. It is also important to understand the legalities of contracts to protect the freelancer's work and income. Additionally, freelancers must prepare for financial instability by setting aside savings and possibly exploring various insurance options to mitigate risk. Achieving work-life balance and well-being. For freelancers and self-employed individuals, achieving work-life balance and well-being hinges on setting realistic expectations and firm guidelines for work commitments. An equilibrium between professional endeavors and personal life can lead to sustained career satisfaction and personal fulfillment. Building a sustainable workload. A sustainable workload is key to maintaining work-life balance. Freelancers should carefully evaluate their capacity to take on new projects, considering factors such as deadlines, project scope, and personal commitments. Critical to this process is the acknowledgement of one's limits, which helps in refraining from overcommitment. Prioritize tasks. List tasks by urgency and importance. Delegate when possible. Outsource to maintain a manageable workload. By doing so, they preserve their freedom to choose projects that align with their interests and avoid the burnout associated with taking on too much. Maintaining professional boundaries. Establishing professional boundaries is vital for separating work from personal life. They should make a conscious effort to define work hours, making it clear to clients when they are available. Communicating availability and respecting one's own time can help in setting expectations and preserving their identity outside of work. Set work hours. Define start and end times for work each day. Communicate clearly. Ensure clients are aware of your availability. This approach mitigates the uncertainty and blurring of lines that often plagues freelancers who work from home, granting them the flexibility to enjoy their personal time without the intrusion of work. Managing finances for stability. Financial stability is crucial for peace of mind in any employment structure. It becomes even more significant for those who are self-employed, as income can be uncertain. They must stay vigilant in their financial practices, setting aside funds for taxes, and creating a safety net for slower periods. Budgeting. Create a budget to manage both business and personal finances. Emergency fund. Save for unexpected expenses to avoid financial stress. Through these measures, freelancers can alleviate the stress of financial unpredictability, allowing them to focus on their work with confidence and pursue supplementary endeavors for extra cash without the pressure of immediate financial need. Growth and scaling up. To foster business growth in freelancing and self-employment, individuals need strategic approaches for expanding their client base, collaborating and building a team, and innovating their range of services. Expanding your client base. A freelancer's success often hinges on the ability to attract and retain a diverse array of customers. They may broaden their reach through networking events, leverage social media marketing, and enhance their online presence. Additionally, it can be beneficial to tap into partnerships with other freelancers and small businesses to access new market segments. Collaboration and building a team. While independence is a hallmark of freelancing, scaling up may involve forming a team to handle larger projects or increase demand. This might include hiring independent contractors or part-time consultants, allowing for a more varied experience and skill set within their business. Well-defined scheduling and management practices are crucial to maintaining control and fostering a cohesive workflow. Innovation and diversifying services. To remain competitive in the gig economy, freelancers and independent consultants must embrace innovation and adapt to changing market needs. They might offer new services or refine existing ones, always seeking to provide unique value. Diversifying services can also mitigate risk by not relying on a single income stream and can lead to more full-time opportunities and independent success. Thanks for watching.